Hi guys, welcome to Boldsky. It's me Nalini. Do you have dull, dry or acne prone skin? Don't worry because today I'm going to show you simple, easy and effective face mask by just using 3 simple ingredients, that is Multani Mitti, honey and milk. Multani Mitti is gonna absorb the extra oil from your face, where milk is gonna brighten up your face and honey is gonna hydrate your skin by giving it extra moisture. So let's get started. Our first ingredient is Multani Mitti. Multani Mitti is a natural mud which is rich in magnesium, a mineral that helps prevent acne and pimple causing bacteria. Multani Mitti is also excellent skin cleansing agent and its high absorbing properties leave your skin soft and radiant. Our second ingredient is milk, which is rich in vitamins and other antioxidants which will nourish your skin cells from deep conditions and moisturize from inside. For acne, it will gently exfoliate and gradually cure your acne. Our third ingredient is honey. Honey is a fabulous natural ingredient to use on your skin. It is also an antibacterial agent which helps with acne treatments and prevention. It is also a great moisturizer that soothes irritation and blemishes and also leaves a lovely afterglow. I have already cleansed my face, so now I am going to start by mixing the face pack. 1 tablespoon of Multani Mitti, 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 tablespoon of milk. Mix it and get a thin paste. Combination of all these 3 ingredients helps to cure your acne, moisturizes and rejuvenates your overall skin complexion. Consistency should be thin. Apply this paste all over your face and allow it to dry for 20 to 30 minutes. Wash off with cool water. You will soon notice pimples and acne drying off. Once they have gone down, continue to use this face pack twice a week. So guys, you saw this was so easy to make. Without spending a lot of money, you can make this at your home, which works effectively on your acne and also lightens, brightens and hydrates your skin. If you have an active acne, you will soon notice that your acne scar is going to dry up. Use this facial mask before you go to sleep and don't forget to apply a generous amount of moisturizer. I hope you all like this video. Please do share your feedback in the comment section below. For more such videos, keep watching Boldsky. Thank you for watching. Bye.